Get to the seawall! We need cover fire now! Medic, over here!
I'm sorry, I'm so sorry, forgive me. Tell Michael the box attic I'm sorry.
He kept all of this hidden for 80 years. His whole war, his trauma, his survivor's guilt.
He carried it alone. He was just a boy. They all were. Your father lost his brothers. No wonder he couldn't talk about it.
He was hurt. He bled for this country and never told anyone.
He kept everything hidden.
Like he wasn't a hero.
Heroes don't feel like heroes. They feel like survivors.
The 29th took the heaviest casualties on Omaha Beach. First wave.
And he survived that. He lived through hell.
I need to find Cooper. He's still alive. He needs to know that Dad kept these.
Yes, Cooper needs to know James never forgot him either. And you need to hear more about your father from someone who was there.
You think we'll really go tomorrow? Weather's been rough. We're going. They won't delay again. This is it.
Dear God, please let me live through this. Please don't let me die here.
I found him. He's in Texas. Austin. Still active on Facebook.
Are you gonna message him? He saved your life that day?
I found his medals, but he never told me anything.
He thought he failed them. He carried that for 80 years.
Thank you, Bill. I'll be there. He wants me to come to Texas.
You have to go. This is important.
I'll fly to Texas next week. We're here. Thank you.
Michael, you look just like him. God, you look just like James.
Mr. Cooper, Bill, thank you for seeing me. Thank you for saving my father.
I've waited so long to tell someone about your father. Nobody understands unless they were there. They were so young, all of you. We didn't think we were young. We thought we were soldiers, ready for anything.
I don't want to die, James.
Stay with me, Tommy. We stick together. We'll make it.
Ramp down.
Go, go, go! No, God, no!
Your father and I made these boxes together France, summer 1944. After I sent mine. Your father couldn't send his. We were different that way. I needed to tell someone. He couldn't finish it, couldn't send it. The guilt was too much. He thought he failed him.
He didn't fail anyone, Michael. He saved me. That's not failure.
Bill, you said you go to the 29th Division Memorial every year. I want to go with you.
Michael, I would be honored more than you know.
Plot E, Road 23. That's where they are, together.
I'll go there with you. Complete the circle.
Your father would love that. You're giving him voice.
My wife understands how important this is. She wants me to honor him properly.
Good. Family matters most.
I remember Sergeant Harrison clearly. He was the bravest man I ever knew. We were just kids then.
My God, so many, all so young.
9,388 American servicemen, average age 22.
Tommy, Frank, Billy, I'm back. Brought someone special this time.
James's son.
Michael.
How do I come home to you carrying this?
He just couldn't see it.
And now I brought his son to tell you that you were never forgotten. You saved my life, James. I never thanked you enough.
Today was special. Having you here, this felt complete. Thank you, Michael.
Thank you for letting me be part of this. He was a hero. I know that now.
Right there, that's where we landed. That section called Easy Red. That's where Tommy, Frank, and Billy died.
Right there. They died right there.
Stay with me, Cooper! You're not dying today!
Bill, are you okay? Stay with me.
I'm okay. Sorry.
You don't have to apologize.
That beach took more than bodies.
Please. I think about all the boys who crossed it to fight and die here.
How guilty I feel about that luck.
That's why your mission matters. Tell the stories while they can still be told. Their stories survive.
I promise. I'll tell their story. Your story.
The Last Letter. A Father's War. The story of James Harrison and Company A.
Thank you all for coming. My father served in the 101st Airborne, and these letters tell his story.
The 1st, a fine unit. We're honored to hear his story, son.
Thank you for joining us this Memorial Day as we honor all who served. Please welcome Michael Harrison.
But Margaret, if you could have seen the boys. And they were boys, barely men, screaming for their mothers in the...
I understand. Yes.
It's all right, darling. It's finally all right.
James did what he could. He saved me. Thank you for telling our story. I never could. But now maybe I can.
Thank you for your service. Your story matters too. I felt seen. First time in 80 years I felt seen.
Your service mattered. Your loss mattered. Thank you.
You did beautifully. Your father would be so proud. I'm so proud.
Thank you for being here, for supporting this, for understanding why I needed to do it.
This is Grandpa James when he was 19. These are his friends. They fought together on D-Day.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Better than okay. I feel lighter.
That's good. That's healing.
I'm proud of you.
I made you a picture, Grandpa. It's you and your friends, all together and happy.
That was perfect. Both of you.
You did this. Made him permanent. Made him honored.
Michael, this is beautiful. This is everything.
They deserve it.
You deserve it. This is your memorial, too. Courage isn't the absence of fear. It's getting back up. You're a hero. Accept it. Thank you. You freed me. Your family now, Bill.
Thank you for everything. I love you.
I love you too, son. You're the grandson I never had.
We give thanks for James Harrison's sacrifice, which made this family possible.
Your book showed me it's okay to hurt. I made an appointment with a therapist this week. I want to heal now while I can.
That's the most important.
The nation prepares for the 80th D-Day anniversary.
I'm going. One last trip. One last time with the brothers.
We're ready for it, Cooper. We gather here to honor the heroes of D-Day. Their courage secured our freedom and forged an unbreakable bond between our nations.
Michael, Bill Shores, please stand.
They heard us. The world heard. Mission complete.
Yes, mission complete. You did it, Bill.
Mr. Cooper, are you sad?
No, sweetheart, I'm happy. I'm with my brothers, I'm with my family. I'm exactly where I should be.
Rest now, Bill. You're home. You're with them. Tommy, Frank, Billy, James, they're all waiting.
The 5 brothers together again.
He earned his peace. He deserves it. You're all together now, the 5 brothers. Rest in peace, brothers.
Sharing these stories is how we heal. It's how we honor their memory and carry on their mission.
Good night, Dad. Good night, Bill. Thank you for everything.
Private James Harrison, Private Tommy Williams, Private Frank McCarthy, Sergeant Billy Patterson.
Hi, Dad. We're here.
Annual D-Day visit.
Honor you and your brothers.
Hi, Great-Grandpa.
I made honor roll.